Hey, Mr. Wright.
Hurry up, bro.
I want to have a conversation with you, Mr. Wright. This is Sergeant Velez.
What?
Let's have a conversation, sir.
I ain't got no conversation with nobody.
What's going on?
I ain't got one on my TV.
Okay, but what happened earlier tonight?
What happened earlier tonight is you right here next door to me. I know you with the 60 pounds of black guys in your soul. This room right here was on the TV. And everybody in this building was on the TV. Oh, everything I know is those two people in with me. They was trying to shine over the zone. They was lost back.
Okay. Well, can you come out and talk to us?
No. Bob, just leave.
We're not going to leave. We cannot leave.
Bring your ass.
Get down. Get down. Don't make me do it again. Get down. Get down.
Shots fired. Shots fired. Shots fired. Cover.
Okay? Yeah, I'm good. You good, sir? Yeah, I'm good. Hey, get the knife, Put your hand on it. 320 out here.
Taking EMS roller. Taking EMS roller.
Who's hers?
Good.
I'm tempo.
Sarge, your technical put your hand up.
That's me, tempo.
Hold on. I'm good.
Okay. Yeah, I'm good. Y'all good?
We got EMS roller on that. And that's the tempo, right?
320 is over here. I don't need any extra parts right now. No, it's okay. I'm good.
I'm pretty much that thing is secure.
I'm good. Let me call Benitez though. 320. Okay.
Who shot?
Me.
What's your beat?
313.
313. Let me call the lieutenant.
You did too, right?
Tempo.
We both did.
Scene is secure. You can turn off the cameras. Does your car have a camera in it?
Bring your ass.
Get down. Get down. Okay. Get down. Move.
Shots fired. Shots fired. Shots fired. 1448. Reset your best. Parker 520.
Okay. Yeah, I'm good.
You good, Sarge?
Yeah, I'm good. Hey,
Sarge, you good? You good?
Sergeant, 30.
30, I'll have that left. Put your hand on it.
I'm taking that away.
320 out here.
This one.
You're good?
This one got you on good. Tempo. Okay. Do we need EMS over there?
10-4.
Okay, EMS roller. Taking EMS roller.
Who's hers?
Shot.
Check one.
Start your taser, pull your thing out.
Hello? No.
So we gotta get that phone from there. And that's the fifth one, right?
320.
320 is I don't need any cards right now.
Yeah, I'm good.
No, that's that.
I'm going to put that in the computer.
Make your card okay.
I'm good. Let me call the meter. Who shot it? What's your beat? 313. Let me call the lieutenant. Scene is secure. You can turn off your cameras. Does your car have a camera? You got the key?
Bring your ass.
Get down! Get down! Don't make me do it again! Get down! Get down! Get up! Get up! Get up! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! Let me get EMS over here. Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Put your hand on it. 320, I'm here.
Okay.
99. EMS for the offender.
Yeah, I know.
I'm good. Hello? No. Everything's good over here. Scene is secure.
And that's the fifth one, right?
320, the scene is secure over here. I don't need any extra cards right now.
No, sir.
Yeah, I'm good. Sorry. I'm good. Let me call the police. 320. Who shot? What's your beat? 313. Let me call the lieutenant. Scene is secure. You can turn off your cameras. Does your car have a camera in it? Okay. Alright, we're gonna have to sit you in the car. We're gonna have to call everybody. I gotta call the lieutenant.
My card, in-car camera is broken.
What did she say? 320, what was that? 99, just try 10 1.